What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something super fun. I'm going to go over the two eyeshadow palettes that I got from Family Dollar. So I got these at the dollar store. This one that is just plain color shades is $2, and the one with the glitter is $3. So I'm super excited to see how they wear. They had a lot of stuff. But then I decided let's just focus on the eyes today, because this palette is so out of my comfort zone. All of these crazy colors, but I definitely want to see what I can do with it. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so I'm gonna this is an eye cream. So these are creamy shades. They're like, oh no, that's like packed glitter. That is straight glitter. Let me just give you guys some swatches. Oh my goodness. It is literally like, it kind of is wet because it says it's like an eye cream. So it's like a little wet, and it literally is just glitter. Like, I don't even know if you're like really going to be able to see this that well. So you definitely have to have a base before you're putting on these glitters. You want to do that really with any glitter that you put on, but with these, whenever you see them, you'll definitely understand why. It's like straight glitter. It's even hard to tell which colors. So I did from the top row to the bottom, and this, let me just get y'all closer. That's what they look like. I mean, they pretty much look the same. That's definitely just some glitter. So we're gonna see how well it comes out on the eyes. I just keep staring at it. And then this eyeshadow palette, they're all by that BYS. So this palette, the one with all the colors, I'm going to give you guys some swatches so we can see how pigmented they are. Let's just find out. Oh my goodness, it's actually pretty bright. There we go. It's actually pretty bright. I don't know how chalky they're going to be. Oh, that's definitely chalky. That's like some chalk right there. It is like falling apart as I'm putting it on my arm. But hey, if you're a beginner, you can work with it. So you can see how chalky they are, but it was $2, so what can you expect? Comes off super easy though, that's a plus. The glitter doesn't come off that well. But what do you expect with glitter? Okay, so I have the rest of my face done. I want to do like a really fun pink. I'm going to try and incorporate the pink, orange, and yellow today. I don't know what I'm going to do, but that's what I want to incorporate. So let me just get my little mirror set up. I have the rest of my face done. I will leave all those products down in the description box of what I used. And now I'm using my NYX Full Coverage Concealer to prime my lids. This is what I use all the time. This is like my favorite primer. Well, it's a concealer, but it's my favorite base to put on the eyes. And I just realized I don't have anything, none of those colors can go down as a transition or a base. So I'm just going to be tapping into my Naked One real quick. And I'm going to be putting on Virgin. So I'm going to use Virgin just to set the concealer, because I'm not going to be using a yellow or a bright color to set that concealer. And you have to have your concealer set, or else it's definitely not going to go on smoothly, especially with these chalky colors. Okay, so no transition shade today because all these are colorful. It does come with these little sponges, like the little eyeshadow sponge, but they're not my favorite to use. So I'm going to be using some of my own brushes. So let's see what I can create. Alright, I think I'm going to first go in with the orangey shade right here. And I'm going to use the fluffy side of the double end brush from my Luxie 249. And I'm just going to put this right in here. So this one I guess will kind of be my transition just because it's more the most neutral in this palette, I guess. So it's not super bright pigmented, which I'm okay with because I would rather build up these crazy colors than have to worry about having like a bright orange stain and have to blend it out and just work with that. So I'm okay with these not being so pigmented. You definitely have to work with it and build up your colors, but like I said, I'm okay with that. Okay, so next I'm going to go in to this yellow shade up here, and I'm just going to focus this more on the outer corners and above where I put the orange. This one is super light and it's really hard to see on the eyes, so this one you really have to build up. I can't even see that. Let me zoom y'all in. So you can't even see where I'm putting the yellow. I mean, I can very, very, very like faintly see it above my eye. But, I'm literally like packing it on so it can be seen. There we go. You can kind of see it a little bit. But like I said, it was $2 from the dollar store, so you get what you pay for. So I'm literally just having to build this color up because it's so light. I'm literally just like going in as much as I can and putting it straight on without tapping off any excess because it is so light. I can kind of see it. I don't even think it's being picked up on the camera. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this pink shade right here. I'm going to be using I'm going to actually use the Urban Decay Naked One brush just so I can press that on to my lid. I feel like this one is going to be seen. But I'm really just packing this on because they're not very pigmented, except for this pink one. This pink one definitely has more pigmentation than the others. And now I feel like the orange shade is gone. That's so funny. This is really out of my comfort zone to have these bright colors. So you can definitely see the pink on my eyes. Okay, so now that the pink is all pressed in on my eyes, I'm going to go back into my orange shade and just really try and work that in. I want it to be kind of like a blended effect of like the lights, yellow, orange, pink, you know, because they all kind of go together. I think it's working now. I think you can see it. I'm like rubbing it in instead of tapping it in there like I usually do. But you can definitely see those colors now. Oh my goodness. Yep, those colors are being shown. So I'm just cleaning off that brush of the orange. Just dabbing it on a makeup wipe because there was so much orange on there. And now I'm going to rub it into the white, which seems to be the most chalky. And just blend that in the top. Okay, so can y'all see there's like a pink for the base, there's orange, and then yellow at the very top. I can see it in the mirror. I can see like the transitions, but it might be hard to pick up on camera. I hope you guys can see the transition of it. I think y'all can see now like the orange, and then there's yellow up here. Anyway, so now that I have pink for the base, I'm going to pick up this shade right over here. No, actually I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna pick up this middle shade and just put it all on the lid. So again, I'm using the brush from the Naked One, really going into that color. I don't think it's gonna pick up that much glitter. Y'all see? Picked up a little bit, but I feel like, ooh, I have a little bit more hope in this one. It's very sticky, but there is hope. So I'm going to do more of like a kind of faded out effect with this one as well. I'm putting it more towards the corner and like fading it out to the side. Glitter is definitely really pretty. It takes a little bit to put on just because it's so sticky, but I feel like there was some hope with that one. It doesn't all come off on the brush. It does, a lot of it does get stuck to the brush. But this, I'm finished with the eyes now. So, but there's a little bit of hope with these palettes. So I finished the eyeshadow look. I'm leaving it at this. I have the pink, orange, and yellow fading out, and then the glitter in the middle fading outwards also. It's not that bad. So now we're going to make it look a little bit better with some winged liner and mascara. Okay, so I have my mascara and eyeliner on. This is definitely the most dramatic wing I think I've ever done. It's not, I guess, too dramatic, but for me it is, especially with these eyes. But I'm actually kind of impressed with how it turned out. So this is the look. Not too bad for some dollar store palettes. It does take a little bit to work them on. These are very like wet and sticky, but I think I'm liking the glitter probably the most. These are very chalky, but it is $2 from the dollar store, so what else can you expect? It's chalky. You have to really keep packing on the color just because it takes a little bit for it to show up. They're not very pigmented, but you can work with it. I'm actually pretty impressed with how the look turned out. Not too shabby. That completes this video for today with my Family Dollar eyeshadows. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to press that cute pink subscribe button over there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I'm going to show you what is in my nurse bag. So I'm going to show you what I take to work every day, what's in it,